Welcome to the CloneForce Support YouTube channel. I'm Graham Chambers, Director of Support for CloneForce, and I'm here to help you succeed with Clone Studio. Whether you're just getting started or you're looking to master advanced features, this channel is your complete resource for support, guidance, and on-demand video tutorials tailored to your needs. My mission is simple. Make sure you can get the help you need when you need it in the format that works best for you. If you're stuck on a feature, curious about a capability, or want to see exactly how something works, you're in the right place. This channel serves everyone from first-time users setting up their accounts to experienced teams automating complex workflows across their organizations. Now, here's what makes this channel truly unique. Head over to the YouTube Community tab and you'll find a chat link that connects you directly to me 24/7. You can ask questions, get support, and here's the exciting part. Request a custom how-to video on any Clone Studio topic. Just tell me what you want to learn about. Choose your preferred video style, like photorealism or animation. Pick your aspect ratio, 16:9 for desktop, 9:16 for mobile, or 1:1 for social. Set your duration up to 5 minutes and provide your email. I'll create the video and send you a notification when it's ready, usually within about an hour. Think about that. Personalized video tutorials created on demand, delivered in roughly 60 minutes. That's a completely different approach to support. Beyond custom requests, the channel already offers a comprehensive library of content organized into playlists for easy navigation. You'll find Getting Started and Onboarding playlists for new users, sales coaching for automating revenue operations, video operator highlights showcasing advanced video capabilities, best practices for optimizing your clones, advanced features for power users, compliance and security for enterprise teams, and integrations for connecting Clone Studio with your existing systems. We currently have 67 videos across more than 12 playlists, and we're adding new content every single day. If your question requires more in-depth investigation or involves account-specific issues, I can open a support case that routes to our specialized technical teams. And I want to assure you, your privacy is completely protected. We never share private company data, financial information, or customer records. You can ask detailed questions about your specific implementations with total confidence. So, explore the playlists, dive into the content, and don't hesitate to use that chat link in the Community tab for questions or custom video requests. Thank you for being part of the CloneForce community. I'm here to help you succeed, and I'm available 24/7. Let's get started.